Hola mis amigos, soy Señor Andrés, tu maestro de español. Today we are going to talk about the third vowel sound. Last week I talked about the first weak sound. That's because the vowel A sounds a little bit weak, even though it's actually a strong vowel sound. Now, we have the weak sounds and the strong vowel sounds in Spanish. Now, you see, this guy, the letter we're going to talk about today, which is the E sound, the vowel E is a weak sound. And then, of course, the vowel U is a weak sound. These are the two weak sounds in Spanish, but you can see that the letter E, which is the sound A, is actually a strong vowel sound. But somewhat it acts more like a weak sound in some words. Okay, so today our focus is going to be on the letters E. That's the E sound. As in English, igloo is synonymous to the English sound, English vowel. E, igloo. You have E in Espanol, E in Ingles. E, Ingles. Also in the second word, in gris, which is a color gray. Gris, gray. Okay, last week I talked about a sound combination and change. Last week we said if the vowel E comes after the G, it changes to an H sound. That it gives us a hey, hey, like in gemelos. Similarly, that is going to happen today. Now, this vowel, for example, when it is combined with the G sound, just like the letter it also produces an H, changes the G to an H sound. So we have gigante instead of gigante. You have gigante, which is giant. And then you also have in the next word, you have colegio, colegio, which is college or school. Then the next is girasol, girasol, which is sunflower. So girasol, sunflower. You have colegio, school or college. Then you have gigante, which is giant. Okay, right. So let's go over it again. We have E, as in Ingles, which is English, and the second is gris, which is gray. If you have any question, especially about the confusion, or if you're kind of confused about the letter E, which is A as sounded in Spanish, and the letters E in Spanish, then of course you can do that in the comment below. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.